Hello, you guys. How you guys doing today? It's me. It's Janita. I'm back. I'm in here today because I want to share with you guys my dinner for today. Well, I made a baked potato that is stuffed with links and kielbasa. And also, I stuffed it with potatoes that I smothered with. Also, they had some, I used some crumbled kielbasa and crumbled hot links in there in the smothered potatoes because I use, to make the smothered potatoes, I use the shavings that when I hollowed out my potatoes, I have to hollow out my potatoes in order to stuff my slice of links and kielbasa inside of my baked potato. So I hollowed out my potato, and the shavings from my potato I used to make my smothered potatoes, which I also stuffed inside of this potato. So what I did, how I made this potato, is I cleaned and washed my potatoes. I cleaned and washed my potatoes first. Then I hollowed out the inside wide enough for the hot link that I hollowed out to push inside of the link of the potato. So what happened, I got a little tired of making all these hot links, so I said, that's all right. What I'll do is I'll just slice a pretty big slice and stuff that in the potato with a nice slice of kielbasa. So I stuffed those two meats in the potato. Then I added the smothered potato, the smothered potatoes that I cooked. I stuffed that in there with the meat. So after I did that, I bathed them in garlic, a garlic butter bath. I placed them in a pan and let them bake for an hour. And then after an hour passed, I cooked them for 30 more minutes because I drizzled on them I made some lime buttered honey sauce that I drizzled over the potatoes. And I let it bake for another 30 minutes. Lord have mercy, these are delicious. My husband and I, we like kielbasa, we like hot links, and we love potatoes. So this is a delicious baked potato that we're having today. And also, I wanted some string beans with it, and I made a delicious potato salad. And I added some nice carrot sticks on my husband's plate so he can enjoy that too. But yeah, you guys, so I have my baked potato stuffed with links and kielbasa and smothered potatoes. And I also, it's cheese melted and crusted on top of the potato because I turned the broiler on and let the cheese melt and get a little crust on there. So I got a little crust on top of these potatoes. So the lemon honey buttered sauce is drizzled on these potatoes and encrusted from being, toasted on top with it, and it also cooked in there for 30 minutes. So it's very delicious. We love it. And that's what I wanted to do, come in here and share with you guys our meal. Took a little patience to make this meal because I have to hollow out the potatoes, and you have to be very careful so you don't bust them open. I did it raw. I didn't cook them first. I hollowed out the raw potatoes. I enjoy doing it because I enjoy cooking for my husband and coming up with different ideas for meals for him. And especially when I'm hungry, I come up with some out of this world ideas for meals to eat for us. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. Our baked potato stuffed with hot links, kielbasa, smothered potatoes, drizzled with lemon buttered honey sauce, and toasted crusted cheese on top and sprinkled with chives. I hope you guys are having a great meal today also. And for now, I'm going to say bon appetit and thanks for watching.